Here we have a custom runner installation. The customer has picked this Mohawk pattern, this basket weave kind of pattern, in this blue color that we're going to install on steps and in a upper hallway. We've decided that we need a piece of carpet. Here is the blue color, about 12 foot by 12 foot 6 in length, which we need to cut up and get it bound and cut the hallway to fit appropriately according to the width that the customer wanted. So we have the piece opened up and we're going to cut it up and get it ready for installation. And here we have the rugs preliminarily cut and bound. This piece here is down the side of the hallway. That's bound all around. This piece here is bound on the sides for the steps. And this piece here, we can't bind it because we have to take it on the job and see how true this 90-degree turn is, if it has to be skewed a little one way or the other. So that would be finished cut on the job, and then we'll take it back to the shop and we'll bind it all and then take it back to the job site for final installation. And here we have the final installation on this custom runner job. We have the steps made to the customer's exact size to fit the steps, and then we proceed to a runner up in the hallway. These are laid loose. This piece here is made in one piece, cut to fit, with some side areas of wood showing. We come down around and we have a separate piece that ran right through this doorway up to that end over there. So this completes this custom installation. This runner, it's a Mohawk print pattern, and it fits nicely in this hallway. And again, this is laid loose and not tacked down. So if you want to see more installations of videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery and you could see all different installations of all other products. And while you're there in YouTube, if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And thank you for watching.